Guys, do you really want to speak like a professional English speaker? And whenever you see some podcast videos, some celebrity videos, and some cricketers video in English, they speak English like flow. Their flow is like water flow. But whenever you think I will speak, I can speak, but sometime after some time you lose your hope and you can't even utter a word. And some of you know how to understand, they know how to speak, but they can't speak. They think that I will speak like this, I will speak like this celebrity, I will speak like this cricketer, but they can't speak. Whenever they open their mouth, they can't utter a word. Why? Because they don't know how to speak. But don't worry guys, in beginning I have also faced this type of problem. And many of people I have seen that they are facing and they have faced this type of problem. So don't worry guys, you are not alone in this journey. And hello guys, Radhe Radhe, I am Mira and you are watching my YouTube channel English Seekhe. So guys, in this video I am basically going to speak about how to improve your English and how to learn English easily. Many of people know how to speak. They think very fast, but after some time they just translate their sentences Hindi to English, and after that they think for some time and they don't speak. They don't speak guys. Why? Because they are facing problem. But I have a solution. I have many solutions, but one of them is, many people say that don't lie, but I say you lie with yourself. Yes, guys, I say you lie with yourself while speaking English, while learning English, while practicing English. Yes, guys, because whenever you will say with yourself that I am a good speaker, I am a good English speaker, I am a best learner, and I can speak English fluently, then you will definitely become a fluent speaker. Because everyone says, and I also believe that what type of things you will think and what type of things you will think, and every time you remember this type of things, then slowly it will become in your behavior. Yes guys, it will become in your behavior in every field, not only learning in English, but what type things you will think and you will remember every time, then it will become your behavior, and slowly you will be like that, what type of things you think. So I also say you always think you are best learner, you are best English speaker, and you are a best fluent English speaker. So slowly you will become a best English speaker. And second thing I always share with you, don't become overconfident. Yes guys, always say that you are best in English, but don't become overconfident. What type? You only say, if you always just say you are a good speaker, you are good English speaker, you are best fluent speaker, but you will not practice, then how it is possible that you will achieve good things, and how will you achieve a fluent speaking? So while speaking you should practice always. How much time you will give in English speaking or English practice, you will achieve that type of achievement. So if you give 1 hour every day, you will get that type of result. If you give 10 minutes every day, you will get that type of result. So it depends on you that how much you practice, and that type of result you will have in future. So don't overconfident and don't overthink. Third thing, that don't overthink. Always many people think that I can't speak like this, I can't speak like this celebrity, I can't speak like this cricketer. So don't overthink always. You just think I can speak, I can do this work. And one golden rule I want to give you, that no involvement, no improvement, more involvement, more improvement. So how much time you will give to yourself, you will become like that and you will become a fluent speaker. In beginning I also faced and I gave a lot of time in learning English, and the result is in front of you. So guys, if you are making mistake while practicing, then not it's good. But if you are making mistakes while speaking English, it is good. It will not create more problem. But if you are making mistake while learning English or practicing English, it will take a lot of time to become a fluent speaker, and it will hold your fluency. Yes guys, wrong practice will make many hurdles, and it will take a lot of time to become a fluent speaker. So don't make mistakes while practicing. So and practice with good rules and good way. So I gave some tips that first one, lie with yourself. That means you always say, I am a good speaker, I am a fluent English speaker, and I am a best learner. So you will achieve your dreams very soon. Second thing, don't become overconfident. But guys, you shouldn't become overconfident. And third one is, don't think over, don't do overthinking. So I hope this video is so helpful for you. So thanks for watching my video, and thank you. Please share with your friends and relatives who want to learn English. And thanks again for watching my video. Thank you.